What's up, guys? I'm on the trusty steed here. Two things I want to talk about. One is naming your bike, okay? And the other is off-roading. Oh yeah. The first thing I want to talk about, it's going to be a bit controversial, this topic, is naming your bike. And not only naming your bike, but classing your bike as a him or a her. My honest opinion of this, it's just a fucking bike. It's not a him, it's not a her. Oh, I took the old girl out, took her for a ride on Sunday. You took your fucking nan for a ride on Sunday. What's going on? Yeah, I give her a clean. She was filthy. You gave who a clean? Your bike? No. You don't give her anything. You give it a clean. You clean it. It takes you out. You ride it. It's not a man, it's not a woman. It's not masculine, it's not feminine, it's not plural, it's just a bike. It's an object. That's the easiest way that I can kind of describe a bike. It's metal and plastic and mechanical parts. You know, I love my bike. I do. I love all bikes. Huge enthusiast. But please, this is just a bike. It hasn't got tits. It hasn't got a penis. Although you can get penises on them, i.e. the rider. But it's a place you sit and you ride it. You know, I don't understand about sexing your bike or naming it Barbara or Fanny Ann or Princess Popalong. I just don't get it. So I'm not in that crowd, unfortunately. I don't do the whole I'm taking Cassandra out for an afternoon stroll. Yeah, on your own, love, as far as I'm concerned. You know. And when I talk to fellow bikers and they're like, oh, so how's you're going to go out on her? Or people sell their bikes and they say, oh yeah, the old girl's got sweet exhaust, she sounds sweet. You know, change the oil, change the filter. You know, changes her chain and sprocket. It's like some fucking crazy bondage mechanical woman shit going on if you didn't know it was a bike. So I'm not, I just don't do it. I don't name this bike. If anything, if anyone said what's your bike called, I say it's called a Triumph Daytona 675. It's not called Barbara, it's not called Penny, it's not called Peaches, it's not Natalie or Deborah, it's not Sam or George or Peter. It's a Triumph, it's a bike, it's a bike. Yeah, that's probably all I've got to say about that. I ride it. It's made of metal and it has two wheels, and that's about it. And I love it. Love riding it. So yeah. Enjoy your bike.